Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chandrika and today we are going to do another episode of affordable makeup. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to determine your eyebrow shape and fill your brows to get a natural look. So let's get into the tutorial. Today I will show you how to fill your eyebrows using both an eyebrow pencil and a brow powder. I have never used these products before, so this will also be a sort of a first impressions video. So as you can see in the brow powder, we have 3 powders and 1 wax. We get a tiny angle brush along with the kit, but there is no spoolie because spoolie is very important while we are doing our eyebrows. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna brush my brow hairs in the direction they naturally are. By doing so, we can actually determine on where we need to fill our brows. So as you can see, I have little bald spots at the beginning of my brow and at the midway of my brow. So I'm going to fill those spots. But first off, we will determine our brow shape. This is for beginners. So if you go to any beauty parlor for the first time, then this is how they determine your brow shape, on what kind of shape your brow has to be. I'm gonna take this brow pencil and then mark the exact spots. So first I'm going to place this pencil parallelly to my nose line. That will be the starting of our eyebrow. And then from the corner of my nose to the mid of my eyeball and then to the end of my natural eyeline. With feather-like strokes, I'm going to slowly start defining the lower eyebrow line. Draw it with a delicate hand. We do not want any rough lines forming. I will do the same on the top of my eyebrow also. Feather-like strokes towards the natural direction of your hair growth. It seems like it's taking a lot of time, but once you practice this for 2 or 3 times, you can ace this. The reason I'm doing such a prolonged video is to help the beginners. Now I'm going to take the spoolie and I will slowly start blending the product into my eyebrow. By doing so, we will have a very natural look. It won't seem as if we have put tons of product. As you can see, the lines have slowly started disappearing into my brow. Now I'm going to take this lighter shade of my brow powder and apply it from the starting to the inner third of my brow. We are trying to create an ombre look. It is a natural look we are going for. I'm starting to like this product because it is very well pigmented. It's really giving me that natural look. Next I'm going to take this darker shade and fill the rest of my brow. Don't worry if the product is going out of line, we can clean it up later. You are supposed to do the same with the darker shadow. Feather-like brush strokes towards the natural direction of your hair. It's always a good idea when you bring in the spoolie now and then and brush your brows and settle the product well into your brows. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to take a spoolie and again brush my brows so that the product settles quite well and gives me a natural look. You've seen many of them use a concealer to clean the brows, but I like to clean my brows with foundation because if you use concealer then the harsh lines will get highlighted, but instead if you use a foundation it will melt into your skin. As you can see, I've taken an angle brush and I'm cleaning my brows with the foundation. Do the same thing on the upper part of your brow also. I hope you are able to see that I'm using foundation. That's why it is melting slowly into my natural skin color. In order to keep the brow hairs in place, we always use a gel or wax. So we're gonna do the same. Since we got the wax along with the kit, we will use the same. I'll take the spoolie, dip into the wax, and instead of applying directly on my brow, I'm going to evenly distribute on my hand and then apply it on my brow. Do not put your spoolie totally into your eyebrow because there is a chance of color spreading. Now I'm going to take some powder and apply it on to the area where we have applied the foundation. Product will not leak and it will not crease also. On the whole, did I like the product? 80% of it, because there wasn't spoolie and the wax is also very oily and it is spreading. How do you like it, guys? Let me know in the comment section, and thanks a lot for your encouragement and your love. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos when I upload them. So I will see you in my next video. Bye guys, I love you. Take care.